Hey you. Yes, you. Do you earn while playing Axie Infinity? Or are you a blogger in YouTube? Are you a freelancer? Are you afraid of paying taxes? Whether your answer is yes or no, the following video is the third and last part of my Axie and Taxes series. Keep on watching and maybe it can help you answer some of your questions. Let's go. Tip number 1. Don't be afraid of paying taxes. Some players are thinking to stop playing Axie Infinity because they are afraid to pay the taxes. Remember, in order for a player to pay taxes from his Axie Infinity earnings is if you exceed the threshold of 250,000 pesos net income annually. If you accumulate a total of more than 250,000 pesos by playing Axie Infinity, of course, you earned so much that's why you need to pay the taxes. Tip number 2, remember, net income and not gross income. To get your net income, add your total earnings then subtract your expenses and other deductibles. The answer is the net income. Tip number 3, annually and not monthly, daily or quarterly. So you received 10,000 PHP in your e-wallet from your Axie Infinity earnings. Do you need to pay the tax right away? Of course not. You need to compute your net income first, then sum it up for a year, so no need to worry. Take note though, that the yearly filing of taxes in the BIR changes from time to time, so better ask them first.
I've been grown, I pay my bills are paid.
Tip number 4, you pay your taxes exceeding 250,000 pesos net. Let's say you earn an annual net income of 260,000 pesos. Deduct it from the 250,000 threshold, and the difference is your taxable income only. Multiply it with your tax rate, and the answer is your tax that need to be paid. See how little your tax would be if you exceed the threshold. I told you you'll be fine. Take note. In the example above, I used the 8% tax rate for simplicity. In the Philippines, if you're a business entity or self-employed, there are 2 types of tax rates that you can choose. You can choose the 8% flat rate, or by using the graduated table. You can ask your friendly accountant about the graduated table. Question. Answer. If the game gives you real-life earnings, you're considered in freelancer category. Tip number 5, your computed earnings must be in fiat category. It means that your earnings in cryptocurrencies are exempted. Now, I'm not an expert, but if someone disagrees with this, show him the Wikipedia page of why crypto are made in the first place. The bottom line is, if your investments are in crypto, and you have no pesos received in your wallet, then you have no taxes to pay. Question. Yes. But remember, net income and not gross income.
We're in the getting paid business.
Question. Answer. The usual expenses that can be deducted from your gross income are internet fees, computer equipments, electricity consumed, licenses of softwares, shipping fees, gas fees. Note that these are only some of my examples, and there are other deductibles that I might not aware of. Question. Answer. File your taxes in mixed income category. Ask the BIR what form you need, then attach your latest 2316 form from your employer when submitting.
They got deep pockets?
Real deep.
Alright. That's the end of the Axie and Taxes series. If you still haven't watched part 1 and part 2, click the links in the description below. Remember, I'm not an expert. If you found any mistakes, just read my name again, or I'll spell it out for you. It's DUMB Advisor. Personally, I don't pay my taxes for the videos that I made here in YouTube. Why? Because I don't even earn a single centavos.
You guys are getting paid?
So if you want me to have an earnings from YouTube, click the subscribe button so I can join you on your way to BIR.
They would have to pay me.
So, That's it for now. Don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button. See you around.